Hello children, welcome to online classes from Montbasser School. As I am English teacher, so today I am going to take English grammar of class 4. Let's start the class. As I am teaching you chapter 5 nouns gender, so just revise fastly. So how many genders are there? 4 genders. Name them. Masculine. What is masculine? Refers to a male. Feminine refers to a female. Common gender refers to both male and female. And neuter gender refers to a living or non-living things, which is neither male nor female. Understood? I hope it is clear to everyone. This also I had explained. So fastly we'll do. In masculine, we call it poet. When we add E-double-S, what it become? Poetess in feminine. As in masculine lion, in feminine lioness. In masculine shepherd, adding es, what it become? Shepherdess. It will be in feminine. Very good. Now we will do this one. Let's see. If a masculine noun ends in er, or, e, or o, the vowel is usually dropped while adding e-double-s to make it feminine. So what this sentence want to see that as in the masculine, the word right, in that word is, if that word end with, if that word in masculine the word end with er, or, e, or o. Here you see the vowel o is vowel, e, o, e, all are vowels. Then at that time what we'll do, we'll drop the vowel. And we will add, at the same time we will drop the vowel and we will add e-double-s to that word. Then the masculine will convert it into feminine. Okay, let's see how we can convert the word of the masculine to feminine. Let's see. Actor. Okay, so here it is, see, or. So what they have given, we will drop the vowel. So here the vowel is o, right? This word actor, we will drop the vowel o and we'll add e-double-s. See, it is also given. Then what it become? See here, actress. Correct? So on we will do. Inspector, we will drop the vowel and we will add e-double-s. Then it will become inspectress. Here see, tiger, er. We will drop the vowel and put e-double-s. So what it become? Tigress. Waiter, we will drop the vowel, we will add e-double-s. Then what it become? Waitress. Then this waitress is what? Feminine. Masculine is what? Waiter. And feminine is what? Waitress. Negro, as similar we will do, drop the o, drop the vowel and add e-double-s. Then it will become negress. Understood? I hope so you have understood. What we have done, if the word end with er, or, e, or o, okay, this 4, okay, then what we will do, we will drop the vowel on that word and then we will add es to the word. Then the masculine the word will become to be feminine. How will it become feminine? When we drop the vowel and add e-double-s. Example, you see tiger, drop the vowel, add e-double-s, it will become tigress. Okay. Now few you see. Some nouns have entirely different words in feminine gender. There are two similar words. Okay. Only dropping vowels and putting es, it becomes masculine to feminine. Okay. But there are some nouns with entirely different words. Okay. Let's see some. Bull, cow. King, queen. Horse, mare. Nephew, niece. Monk, nun. Sir, madam, buck, doe, bridegroom, bride. Very much different words both are. More you see here. Cock, hen, brother, sister, servant, maid, uncle, aunt, dog, bitch, father, mother, son, daughter, wizard, witch. So today your homework will be to learn this one. This page only. Page number 20. Learn page number 20. Learn by heart. Page number 20. This one or with this. Page number. Whole page number you have to learn by heart. Okay. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Wait for my next video.